Alright, so let's say we finish the design. You can add more text here or more elements like this, but for this tutorial I think it's enough. It's a simple card. So let's print this card. Let's prepare it for print. Now, most of you have at home at least a printer, and that is regular size A4 printer or letter printer. But taking that in consideration, let's create a template A4 portrait orientation and just click create. With this file created, let's place our new card in. So finish card, open, and just click inside. Don't click and drag, just click inside and it will introduce the file at 100% size. Click on your card and let's rotate it. If you hold shift, will rotate in incrementals. You see, so 90 degrees. Let's position it. Come on, center. And now we have our card on the center of the paper. Now, to be sure, let's add some guides. So as you know, this is the vertical and this is the horizontal. Click close. Let's move it around a little bit. It's snapped to the center. It's snapped to the center. That's good. Now let's create some graphics here that will allow us to bend the card. So when you print it, you'll know exactly where the center is. For me, I clicked on the arrow tool. Of course, you can use whatever you want, like diamond tool. Let's use diamond tool. Should be the same thing. So basically, holding the shift and drag, you'll create like a perfect diamond. Oops, sorry. Control Z. And just stroke with a color. Black doesn't matter because it will not show up in your print. Put it here to the edge of the card. Alt J to duplicate it, and I duplicate it 3 times. Backspace to delete one. And if you hold shift and move, it will automatically keep the same level. Now, if your element is not snapping to the object, so for example, if you see, if I move this, it's not snapping to any object, just click on the snapping tool here and move it around. And there you go. So you'll know that from this side, you will be able to bend it. And that should be it. Now, you save it and you put here like A4 print card template and hit save. You print it, you cut it, and you bend it. Now, I promised you that we will export this for social media as well. So that's even easier. You go and with a finish card, click on the export persona. And let's slice this image. So from the one corner to another. Let's keep the first page only. Deselect the background and export slice. And slice one. There you go. So you have an image with the slice. So you can just share it on your social media, on your Instagram account, Facebook, or send it by email.